What up, guys? Welcome back. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Happy Monday. So I wanted to go over a couple things. This rain has been just crazy. Haven't been able to do any work to the bike, just because I hate working from garages. So this rain has made it literally impossible. So I wanted to give you guys a couple updates on what I've done. So I went ahead and changed the brake arm. So this is the cross thread cycle brake arm, and I have to tell you guys, this is amazing. This is it. This did exactly what I needed it to. So my foot reaches it very comfortably now. I don't have to twerk my foot to the left just to get an angle to press down on the rear brake. It's perfect. And I'm super excited. So thank you, Cross Thread Cycles. Install was fairly easy. There's one screw right over here. After you unlock that screw, there's a nut behind it, which is all the way in the back right here. And that's it. You just take out the screw, the whole piece comes out. There is a pin. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is what made it hard for me to record and show you guys, is that there's no room, and you need to have both hands to do this. But let me see if I could get close in. So you guys see that pin that's sticking out right here? So behind that pin, I don't know if you guys can see it, there's a clip. So you got to take this pin out and the clip, which will release it. You see, because it holds on to it. So that's the first thing you do. And the second is this right over here. So you unscrew that. There's a nut behind it. You got to hold it down with a wrench, take it out, and it comes out fairly simple. By the way, guys, the best way, or at least the way that worked for me, to get this pin out right over here was to use these angled pliers. Made it super easy. So I'm so excited now. The previous brake arm that came, which is this right over here, this is the one that comes with Harley, and it's horrible. I don't know if you guys could see this. Let me see if I get close to it. So when this was here instead, it was coming out to like right here. So by putting this on, you gain literally almost 1.5 inches, if not more, by removing the stock Harley one. And honestly, this is just a bad design from Harley. I don't understand why they have to make the chrome one better than the black. If anything, they should have just done it the same way. This is just poor design, and I'm happy I got rid of it. I mean, it looks like a spatula, like, you know? Yeah. Let's get rid of the spatula, huh? But yeah, guys, I'm glad to have got this out. I'm super happy with the new one. Again, that's Cross Thread Cycles. I'm going to also be putting in the mini floorboards. I don't know if you guys saw, but Thrashin just released the new mini floorboards. They're pretty much the Apex floorboards, but in the style of the mini, and it does fit Lowriders and Lowrider STs. And I'm thinking about getting it, which is unfortunate because I had purchased that back in November. I actually sent an email to Thrashin asking them if they could make something custom like the Apex, and pretty much have it in the same design, so it fits the mini floorboards. And they said they couldn't at the moment. I just wish they had told me that they have something coming out soon that was going to pretty much be able to, you know, look like the mini floorboards but in the Apex form. So I don't know if I'm going to order those. I'm still debating on it. I don't know if I should put the mini floorboards or just go with another peg. After riding with the peg for many months, I've kind of grown used to it. I kind of like it. You could kind of clip your foot behind it like this whenever you want to rest it, which is very easy. So I don't know. I'm figuring out if I should just put the mini floorboards, get the Apex mini floorboards from Thrashin, or maybe just get another type of peg. So I will let you guys know. So another thing that I'm going to be putting on are the LED front turn signals. So this is the Harley brand one, and I want to put these on just to make it match with the LP6. I like these a lot just because the ring, the halo ring, is beautiful. It's really nice, it's clear. And let's actually put them on right now. You know what? This is actually something I've been wanting to do as well. I've been wanting to get rid of these reflectors. Such a sore sight. I've seen that a lot of people use heat guns. I don't have a heat gun actually, so I'm gonna try something else. And you guys don't laugh at me for trying to do this. So I'm gonna tie a microfiber cloth tightly to this. Alright, so I put a microfiber cloth got some goof off. Let's go ahead and marinate this while I change the LEDs. Alright, let's see if this will work. Just using some regular floss. We flossing, baby. Literally. Wow, I can't believe it's working. Nice. All right, now I gotta get this cleaned up. Let's get to the turn signals. So there's a little slot right over here. This should come off pretty easily. Supposed to push in. Okay, so it's a 1/4 inch turn. You just pull it out. Yeah, that's it. All right. This side up. So I think this is for water purposes. If it rains, it's supposed to drain properly. I don't know, but let's go ahead and find the notches. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and installed the turn signals. It's fairly easy. Let's see how it looks. Nice. Man, you gotta love that halo. That's a clean halo. There you guys have it. Goof off and some floss if you guys ever want to do it. Overall, I'm really happy with the brake arm. Came out really good. Can reach it much easier. I highly recommend it if you guys are looking to put forward controls on a Lowrider or Lowrider ST. And also, here is the LED turn signals. I got my key. There you go. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys have a great day.